So I'm gonna have Cora do it and we'll see what happens.
In here?
Yeah. Oh! So look how that flows. Do you see how it flows?
Yeah, it's foamed up.
So you can see with that shield volcano how each time lava folds, it would have another layer.
So yeah, each time it erupts, it just gets bigger.
Yeah.
I remember
All right.
said.
So you might have guessed that I already put the baking soda in there. Was this yours?
I guess that.
All right, let's see what
Should I pour it all?
happens.
No, I don't know.
Oh!
That was different.
That was different. So obviously the
slower.
shape of the volcano makes a difference.
Yeah, it kind of erupted like
It
sprang.
went straight up. Now if that was gases coming straight up, that would be our volcanic ash.
I like watching it go.
All right.
Boom, bang.
Who was the last one? All right. Let me see.
Ooh, this is gonna be cool. It's cool.
I bet this one's just gonna like shoot it.
Yeah.
I don't know if it will shoot up. So this was our composite. Now this is the one, the kind that they usually show when you are thinking about our volcanoes, and it's a tall cone-shaped volcano made of layers of ash. So this would be layers upon layers. This is the one that sometimes might have a vent coming out, a side vent as well. So let's see. And because it's layers, sometimes they call it a stratovolcano.
Should I just pour a little bit?
You do what you need to do.
Pour a
Whatever you want.
Oh,
Just go for it.
That
Oh!
one was more chunks.
yeah, this went shoot.
It is interesting how they all came out a little bit different.
Dump it all.
So tell what's happening.
We're dumping red soap
And
and vinegar
why?
to create a chemical reaction
And
in a volcano. That was just hard. Elephant toothpaste. I'm kidding. Hey, can we create elephant's toothpaste?
Can I touch it? Can I touch it?